Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F28 error code on your Maytag washer, don't panic. We're here to break it down and get you back to clean clothes in no time. Today, we're tackling the 2025 model specifically, but this advice applies to most Maytag units. First off, what does F28 even mean? It's basically a communication error between the washer's central control unit and the motor control unit. This can happen due to loose wires, software glitches, or even power issues, and it's one of the most common errors reported by users. Let's dive into troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washer from the power outlet for at least 1 minute. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might just solve the problem. Once you've done that, plug it back in and try running a cycle. If the error persists, check for any visible issues like loose connections or damaged wires around the control panel. You'll need to open the back panel carefully. Remember to turn off the power first for safety. If you're comfortable with a bit more hands-on work, try resetting the control board. Press and hold the Start button for 10 seconds while the machine is plugged in, then release and wait a few minutes before trying again. Sometimes, a software update or a faulty part is the culprit, so if these steps don't work, it's time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose if it's something like a worn-out motor or a deeper electrical issue. In the 2025 models, Maytag has improved error detection, but it's always good to keep your washer's software up to date through the app if you have a smart model. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty, so proceed with caution. There you have it, quick and easy steps to tackle that F28 error. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If it helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Stay tuned, and happy washing!